Hi guys, I wanted to show you that this is a simple project that just about anybody can do, and you only need a few tools to do it. And what you're looking at is a tall asparagus steamer that I found at a flea market last year, and I threw it in my cupboard because I knew I wanted to make a stove out of it, and I forgot that I had it. And then I found it, and I thought today'd be a good day, being that the weather is kind of bad. We got high winds today, otherwise I'd be doing this video outside. But you can pick these up at a garage sale, yard sale, wherever. Just don't buy them online, you guys. They want a lot of money for them online. I see them on eBay going for $40+ plus shipping for this pot. And all this is the basket that goes down inside, flipped upside down. This is the bottom of the basket, which makes a grid. And because this goes down inside the pot to where the grid, well, if it's upside down, the grid would be here. I made this out of a coat hanger through these vent holes where it goes all the way through to the other side, just like a staple. And you just lift this up and then run that through the vent holes, and that holds it right flush with the pan, and the lid still fits on it for storage to put it away. And then I can pull this pin out, take the basket out to clean the stove, and you can see I got a series of vent holes going all the way around the bottom. I drilled them the same distance all the way across around the bottom. And what I did is I just took some blue painter's tape and I just eyeballed it to get it nice and straight, and I just taped off a nice rectangular opening that I wanted to cut. Now the easiest way to cut this out would be with one of those rotary Dremel tools, but I don't have one of those. So I used a hacksaw to cut across the top and the bottom, and then I did a series of drill holes all the way down the side on both sides, and then I just bent it back and forth until it broke off, and then I took my long file here and I just filed all the edges all the way around. So really all I had to make this was just the tape, a file, a cordless drill, and a hacksaw, and that's it. And that's all you need, you guys. So like I say, look for these at a garage sale or household sale, or at a flea market, at your local Salvation Army. You can find these just about anywhere. This bale was for the other end of the basket when this was at the bottom and this part was at the top. This was a bale just so you could lift it out. I really don't need the bale. Maybe I'll incorporate it somewhere else in this creation. But I just wanted to make a wood-burning stainless steel stove so I could perk my coffee under my van awning if it were to rain while camping. That way I can still make coffee. So it's a fun project. I like looking for these stainless steel pots to make stoves out of them. I've made stoves out of other pots, but these asparagus steamers work great. And this one was new. It was never used. And I got it for like $4.50 at a flea market. So it works great for making a little stove on the go. So I just thought I'd make this video real quick, you guys, to inspire you to where if you get out and go through a thrift store, you never know what you can find. You always can find something you can use for camping in the outdoors. And let your mind go and just think of what you can do with things, you guys, and repurpose something and turn it into something else. I don't like asparagus. I don't eat it. I don't care for it. So I bought this purposely to make a stove out of it because I was never going to use it for what it was intended for, but it makes a really cool stove to feed wood pieces in there, get it going with fat wood and put some wood in there, and then I can have a nice flame to cook on or brew coffee or whatever. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.